what's up guys, hope you're doing great. As I told you before, Julia is going all in. I've listened that I'm home in the original version and it was, I cannot explain you how that was. Let's hear how it was. That's basically how the song goes. That's the ending, but this is basically how the song goes. I kinda like the arrangement, I kinda like the trombones in the background, but since Hua is at the piano, I have no idea how the song is gonna develop. Is it gonna stay piano-like, or is it gonna like Taming jumping on the... let's see, let's just see. Right. Close up.
我听说，通常在战争后。
Oh, okay, voiceover
只会
at
换来
first.
和平，但为什么我看到我的爸爸一直打我妈？
I didn't see English lyrics
就
before.
因为喝醉酒，他就能拿我妈出气。我每次真的看不下去，可是又没有办法。 那时候我的年纪还太小，从小到大，我只有在妈妈身上才能感受到温暖。我总是在想，为什么我的爸爸会那么凶？然而我到现在都没有找到答案。 如果真的我有一双翅膀，可以随时出发的话，我一定会偷偷地带着我妈离开这个家。不要这样打我，妈妈。我说的话你会听吗？ 不要这样打我，妈妈。难道你手不会痛吗？其实别人的家庭，别人的爸爸，种种的暴力因素，一定都会有原因的。但是呢，妈跟我都没有错。 却还是离不开暴力。亏我还叫你一声爸。从小到大，你都叫我学习你，把你当榜样。 假象。妈妈常说：“你要乖啊，要多听你爸的话。”你教我怎么听你的话？你教我怎么跟你像啊？教我怎么跟你像啊？教我怎么跟你像啊？教我怎么跟你像啊？不要这样打我。 不会痛吗？不要这样打我，妈妈。我说的话你会听吗？不要这样打我，妈妈。我还想叫一声爸爸。
Olay? Yes? Maybe my reaction was not even the reaction. I can't remember when the last time I didn't say a word during the performance, but it seemed as almost criminal to interrupt it with any sound, any motion, anything of any sort. How would you change a rap part? You can either sing it or you can either say it, I guess, if you don't want to cut anything out. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna upload it. Again, I'm sorry if that was not entertaining for you to watch, but I honestly don't know what kind of reaction could be to this. I hope you still found it interesting. If not entertaining, interesting to watch. Ooh, that was... When someone in the family drinks or abuses another person, it's always a tragedy, and many times you feel like there's no escape, and oftentimes there isn't really an escape. So this is an issue that is very sensitive to many people. His performance of it was spot on. Again, guys, hope you enjoyed my reaction, yes, on a more cheerful note, and if you did, please tell me to what videos you want me to react, and that way I could see it in my next video. Bye, guys.